people, so I'm at this place called Rock Beach, and those are my kids, and I'm just sitting here like I always like to sit, and I have these waves coming to my feet. It's very relaxing, and as you can see, it is quite a lot of people here, and I think it's the best way to, in the summer heat, just to be by the sea. It just feels good. Like I said, I'm always very keen to make my videos at least 1 minute long, because then I can the profile pic goes well. 1 minute is okay, yeah? So this is in Pondicherry. Earlier it was not there, and right now that's my child, and right now that's what this is, just facing the beach. It's called the Rocky Beach. It was not there for a long time. Now suddenly there is a beach, so it's unique how with time everything changes. It's already a 1 minute video, and I am so enjoying sitting over here. This is so awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.